don't know if you can even hear me with all the street traffic. If you couldn't tell, I'm here in New York. Excuse me. Good morning. I'm here in New York today. Not just today, for a few days. But I thought I would do a different style of what I eat a day video. I thought I would do a different what I eat a day video today, because you guys always seem to love the videos, but I want to share with you guys kind of what I eat when I travel. I do travel quite a bit for work and for life and just in general, and eating vegan on the go, I would say in my experience, has been relatively easy and accessible for me. But I also travel to major cities like New York and LA where like everyone's vegan, or there's a vegan option everywhere. Obviously when I'm traveling, I eat so much more not necessarily bad foods, but obviously I'm eating out every single meal, and I think that's why I try to balance when I am at home, making as many home cooked meals as I can, just because it balances out, because then I'm eating out so much when I'm traveling. Is this making sense? I'm like still half asleep. Anyways, there's a cafe that I've been wanting to go to. It's called Two Hands Cafe. I feel like I see like everyone on Instagram there, but I'm pretty sure they have like smoothie bowls and avocado toast and like cute things like that. So Tor and I are gonna go grab a little brunch, a little brekkie. Let's go. Got a little smoothie here. I just feel like I've been lacking fresh fruit in my life, so this is very necessary. Oh, we got apple. We've got a smoothie. Oh, Jesus. I'm like trying to eat it all. We are just getting ready. We're gonna, oh, I almost just broke my makeup palette. That's fun. We're just getting ready to head out. We're gonna go for a bike ride and enjoy some of the good weather here in the city. It is like a heat wave in New York right now, which I'm not complaining about because it has been so cold back home in Toronto, so I could use a little bit of some good weather. But I'm sure we'll work up an appetite when we are biking. So we don't really have any place in mind yet for lunch, do we? I was gonna maybe go to like By Chloe, which is like the very well-known vegan kind of, it's like very like Instagrammable in there. It's kind of where like all the bloggers go, but it's actually amazing vegan food. So we definitely will need to be drinking a lot of water today to stay hydrated, because it is 35 degrees. We have made it to Central Park. We're just gonna kind of have a little picnic out here. We've got the most pretty, most perfect New York view. You can't really beat this. You ready to eat, baby?
Ready.
Okay, we got, what'd you end up getting? You got the taco salad?
Taco salad.
I got the spicy Thai salad, and then we had to get the mac and cheese because you only live once, and it's very delicious here. Okay, the update. I haven't had this spicy Thai salad before, but I've been to By Chloe before, and it is literally so delicious. I just wish we had cool salad places like this in Toronto.
I don't know why we don't.
No, we don't really have anything quite like this. This is kind
of a business opportunity. Maybe we should start a salad place called Potty Salad.
Potty Salad by Jack and Tor, the restaurant where we give you the shit.
I keep saying I want to bring a bagel place to Liberty Village, because like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know when you feel like something's missing?
You see the business opportunity?
Yes.
I just kind of feel like this is like the dream of life right now. Sitting in the shade on a rock in Central Park. Okay, your first time having the vegan mac and cheese, and she's not a vegan, so this is a true test. What's the thoughts? It's got like smoky mushrooms on top too, doesn't it?
It totally passes.
It passes.
As like not vegan.
Yeah, baby. Chloe, you're doing it right. Okay, I definitely overate because it was so good, but I have completed the amazing bowl, and then we have some leftover macaroni and cheese. We just can't do it, we're too stuffed. But wow, would highly recommend some By Chloe if you're ever in New York. I honestly feel like I could go for a little nap. I feel like I'm just gonna lay down on this rock. My butt cheeks are going a little numb. Lay out here. What more could you want in life, truly? This is the dream. Wow, summer in New York is honestly always the best. So we are mildly dead from the bike ride. We're back at the hotel room, just kind of cooling off. Gonna watch them Keeping Up with the Kardashians, eat some trail mix, you know, chill out. I truly just love a good trail mix, and it's just what I need right now. Oh, still looking a little sweaty from the bike ride. We are gonna go ahead to dinner now. We are going to, it's a new Mexican, I don't know if it's new, that's a lie. It's a Mexican place that we've never been to before, but they have some like vegan and non-vegan options, which would be nice. And we're just gonna go get some good food. You know, Mexican is like probably one of my favorite cuisines if I'm like picking a restaurant. And then we have a sauna date tonight at the hotel we're staying at. We're at 11 Howard, and they have like a infrared light sauna therapy spa thing. So we're gonna do that later tonight and kind of cleanse from this crazy weekend and just like get ready to get back home. We're flying home tomorrow, so we kind of need to like reset and be normal functioning humans again. We need to pack. Our room's a disaster, and we have one final nice meal. Let's enjoy. Oh baby, we've got some vegan Caesar happening, sunchoke / lots of vegetables, which is what I need. We're eating good tonight. Okay, we're back from dinner. We're gonna go do the little sauna situation now. So we're just gonna hydrate. I think I've drunk. I think I have had probably 8 liters of water today. Still so dehydrated, and I know we're gonna be sweating out so much sweat in the sauna, so I'm gonna need to be drinking even more water. Anyways, the lighting was pretty dim in that restaurant, so I didn't get too many food shots, but I had this like vegan kale Caesar. It was a huge salad. I've been feeling like I need to up the vegetable content I've been eating, because the last few days of this trip, I've just been eating garbage, in the best way, but garbage. And then there was like a sunchoke and snap pea, tahini, hummus situation. I don't know, it was really good too. But it was so big, like the quantity was so big that I ended up just like putting some in my mini fridge and getting takeout. Nothing like yesterday's leftovers. But yeah, I feel like we're gonna sauna and then probably hit the hay. This is gonna get out all of our toxins, everything bad we've consumed for the past week in New York. My soul needs this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys do want to see more what I eat in a day videos, or just like different videos about eating plant-based or veganism or anything like that. Yeah. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.